Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Thai salmon fish cakes with prawn and mango salsa. I like to say salsa. For this dish, we're going to need potatoes, coriander, lime, king prawns, salmon, sweet chili sauce, plain flour, Thai spices, baby plum tomatoes, sliced mango, sugar snaps, peanuts, grated garlic, Panko Breadcrumbs, and a red chili. I'm going to remove the seeds of the red chili and then I'm going to chop it thinly. I'm only going to use half of my red chili, but you can use as much as you want. Then we're going to zest the lime. And we're going to crush the peanuts. We're going to finally chop the coriander. We're going to halve the tomatoes. We're also going to halve the sugar snaps lengthways. Okay, now we're going to peel the potatoes. When finished peeling the potatoes, we're going to chop them in 2 centimeters chunks. That way it will be easier to cook them. Now we place the potatoes in boiling water. They should be cooked until very soft so we can mash them easily. Now the potatoes are cooked, we're going to drain them in a colander. Now we're going to warm some water in a frying pan and we're going to poach the salmon. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to cook them. Once the salmon is cooked, we're going to put it on a plate and put it to one side. At this point, it should be a good idea to preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Now we're ready to create the fish cake mixture. We're going to put the potatoes in a bowl and we're going to mash them. Next step, we're going to remove the salmon skin. And we're going to flake it into the bowl. Next step is to add the sweet chili sauce. Then we add the plain flour. And we add the lemon zest. We're also going to add the Thai spice. And half of the coriander. Then we season with salt and black pepper. Now we mix everything by hand. Now Now we're going to place the Panko Breadcrumbs on the plate, and we're also going to add some olive oil, and we'll mix it. This will serve as a coating for our fish cakes. Now we'll create the fish cake patties. At the ends, they should look pretty like those. Now we're going to lightly oil the baking tray, and we're going to pop the fish cakes on it. Place the baking tray on the top shelf of your oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Now it's time to make the salsa. We're going to squeeze the lemons into a bowl. Then we're going to add the olive oil and chili and the rest of the coriander. And we'll season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Now we mix everything, and we can even have a little dance. Then we add the tomatoes, and we also add the mango. Mix it one more time. Now we add the peanuts. The salsa is ready. Now is the last part of the dish. We're going to heat a drizzle of oil in a frying pan, and we're going to fry the sugar snaps and the king prawns. When the prawns are cooked, we're going to add the grated garlic, we're going to mix it, and we're going to fry for another minute. The fish cakes are ready when they are golden brown, like so. I hope you liked this dish. If you did, please click like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.